Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Mac OS 10. 14 or newer and at least 4 GB free memory so the manager runs smoothly. Once confirmed, download the Roblox Account Manager DMG and mount it. Make sure to allow the app and system preferences security and privacy to avoid blocked installs. Next, gather the Roblox accounts you'll manage, usernames, passwords, and any 2FA codes in a secure local note. This gets you ready for importing accounts without interruption. Once done with setup, open the manager and choose Import, selecting CSV for many accounts or manual entry for a few. Mapping columns to username, password, and 2FA ensures accurate import. Make sure to test a single account first to confirm credentials and session behavior. Then, configure session limits and optional proxy or VPN settings to control IP rotation and prevent rate limits. You'll want stable network settings so logins remain consistent and avoid unexpected lockouts. You finish by running a controlled batch login to verify active sessions and catch failures early. Monitor error messages closely, since they tell you whether credentials or network issues are the problem. Make sure automatic relogin and encrypted backups are enabled so accounts recover quickly after interruptions. If an account gets blocked, clear the app cache, rotate or disable proxies, and, if necessary, reset the account password while keeping 2FA intact. This one-key troubleshooting tip usually restores access without data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.